Hi all, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make a cute, adorable little house inside a wooden log. Now I'm going to go slightly faster on this video. It is not the normal speed. I did have to turn the speed a little on the plus side just because I went really slow. I wasn't sure about the curves. I usually do not do magical characters and fairy tale elements, but I do not know. This is just so interesting, and of course, it is so cute. So I started with the bark. I just wanted to make an empty, hollow log, a wooden log. So this is what I came up with, how it should look like, and obviously we want a door to fit in, so it has to be big enough, and it's gonna be a house inside, so it needs to be of the perfect size. It cannot be too small or too big. But yeah, those were the basic key points that you want to keep in mind. If you have a character in mind, like if you want to have a house for a rabbit or a squirrel or something like that, maybe instead of a wooden log or something, we can go for an old tree or something else. So anyways, I haven't thought of the character. As you can see, I am really fascinated with the idea. There are just so many possibilities. I usually do not do fairy tale or magical characters, but oh my god, there are so many possibilities. I am still trying to wrap my head around it. So okay, coming back to our image, one thing that you can be sure of is you don't have to make straight lines. I mean, that is the easiest thing ever. You don't have to worry about rulers or having that perfect shape of a circle or a straight line, because since it's a log, it's supposed to be a little wobbly on the edges. It's supposed to look old and weared off. So, you can always play with it. I would say it's a wonderful project for a beginner or even for young artists. You can always try to see what you can come up with. You don't really have to follow the exact thing. Instead of just the wooden ledge there on the window, you can have flowers coming out or small mushrooms. Talking of mushrooms, I did another video on that, so please do check it out. I really appreciate all your support. As for the colors, I kept it to the theme, wooden log, so yeah, why not brown? But I think red or green and all those vibrant colors would look just as good. So see what you feel like. If you want to have a floral look, at the bottom of the log, you can have several flowers coming out, a flower pot, or an enhanced version of this video perhaps. So this is basically it. I did not decorate it so much with other elements. As I mentioned, you can draw more leaves or flowers on the side, maybe a big tree in the background, sun's rays. A lot of other things can be added to this. And if you do end up making it on a canvas or on a bigger surface, you can always frame it, and it is very easy yet very impressive. I mean, I really liked the outcome, how it came out. It was so lifelike, and it was just, 100% adorable. I really am enjoying making elements from magical stories and fairies and stuff like that. So please do leave your comments below if you would want me to draw more of similar projects or do more tutorials accordingly. I do have this vision of making, a big canvas painting where all these small elements that I have been experimenting with, the mushrooms or a house in a clank or, a storybook kind of something, to come up with. But I do need your support. I do want to hear what is it that you liked or even disliked about this particular artwork. This would help me improve. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time with another interesting video. So stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.